Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited in Frosted Mocha Pearl. This vehicle does seat up to 7 passengers. Great for the whole family. And under the hood we got a 3.3 liter V6. Beautiful headlights. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch mud and snow tires, as well as a breakaway side view mirror that does come with park assist. There are plenty of more options we can take a look at inside. Let's hop on in. Hopping onto the Santa Fe, we've got your keyless fob here, as well as an aftermarket remote start. If you have the key in your pocket, as long as it's in your pocket on your body, you can unlock it just like this. Super simple, very handy. We've got your power locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as your cup holder with some storage. Over here we've got your active eco button, as well as your heated steering wheel, your AC for your 115 volt outlet, your parking assist, as well as your traction control, leather seating throughout the vehicle. Hopping on in here, it is a push to start, so I'm going to go ahead and just adjust my seat quick because I am a little short, and then start the vehicle. There we go. Going through the display quickly, we have your user settings, your range, your music, your navigation, your service, back to your settings. On the left, we've got your voice recognition, and on the right, we have your cruise control, as well as your leather wrapped steering wheel. Over here, we've got a sunglass holder, as well as the buttons for your lights. This button here is for the back door lights, as well as a panoramic sunroof. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up quickly here to show you guys. Opens up nice and smoothly. It's a little bit stuck because it was snowing. I'm gonna go ahead and close it here. Oh, sorry. See? Closes very smoothly as well. Looking down here, we've got your audio center that comes with AM and FM radio, satellite radio, your media, your phone for your Bluetooth, as well as your dual climate control, as well as all your climate settings. Taking a look down here, you can see that you've got your 12V power outlet buttons, as well as an aux USB port. You've got your heated driver and passenger seats, as well as they are ventilated as well. Your rear parking button is here, as well as 2 great cup holders and some internal storage. There's plenty more we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Hopping into the back, I just want to show you guys the door panels that have this accent feature running throughout the vehicle, as well as lots of foot and headroom, map pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, as well as a hard backing in case you've got kids. Over here, we've got your armrest, as well as a hidden cup holder. Very handy. Let's take a look back here. We've also got a backup camera here, as well as your rear parking sensors. It is a power liftgate, so I just hit the button and it'll open, as you can see. Very great feature to have. Lots of back space here, as well as some carpets for you. The back seats do fold down just like that, as well as the ones in front come all the way down too. We've got your 115 volts outlet, as well as a 12V outlet. We've got your rear climate control, as well as this button here pulls the front seats down. Push the button again, it'll close your power liftgate. Very handy to have. Very great feature. Coming on over here, door panels all look the same, as well as here's the map pocket, directional air vents. Taking a look in front, we've got another cup holder with some storage over here, as well as your front console to hold your papers. That's it. I would like to thank you all for taking a look at this 2015 Santa Fe Limited. If you would like to come down and take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.